Mastering less, a key to fluent English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our series, Commonly Confused Adjectives and Adverbs. Today, we're going to tackle an essential term in English grammar, the word less. Understanding its definition and proper usage will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Let's dive in. Less is a word used in English to denote a smaller amount of something. This something can be uncountable or not easily quantifiable. For example, we say, "I need to spend less time watching TV," or "He has less money than his brother." It's important to understand that less is typically used with singular, uncountable nouns. These are nouns that we can't usually count one by one, like water, time, money, love, and knowledge. Using less with uncountable nouns is quite straightforward. We generally follow this pattern: subject plus verb plus less plus uncountable noun. For instance, I should drink less water before bedtime. They need less money for their project now. Remember, less implies a comparison. There's an implication that the subject has, needs, or wants a smaller quantity of something in comparison to a previous amount or to what another person has, needs, or wants. A common mistake learners often make is using less with countable nouns. Remember, for countable nouns, we should typically use fewer. For example, we say, "I have fewer books than you," not, "I have less books than you." It's important to avoid this common error as it's one of the telltale signs of a non-native speaker. That wraps up our discussion on the word less. Now, you should have a clearer understanding of its definition, proper usage, and common errors to avoid. As with all things, practice makes perfect. So, make sure you incorporate less in your day-to-day conversations. In our next video, we'll delve into fewer and how to use it correctly. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.